Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some phonics activity looking at the word B. So if we're reading B, we're going to start here. We're going to go B, E, B, E. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make it all one sound. B, B, E to B. Just like that. So the E sound makes the long E sound. Can you do that? E, it says its name. So B, E, B. So we're gonna look at more words with that long E sound, okay? So here's one word, it's E, E, free. Can you say that with me? E, E, free. Awesome job, boys and girls. You're doing so great. Let's do the next one. All right. E, E, me, me. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's go on to the next one. Sh, E, sh, E, sh, E, she, she. Awesome job, boys and girls. You're doing so good saying that long E sound. Here's the next one. W, E, W, E, we. Can you say that? We. Awesome working. All right. Let's do this one. S, E, S, E. Can you say that with me? S, E, C, C. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's do this one. E, E. Can you say that? E, he. Great job, boys and girls. All right, these next couple have the E sound in the middle, okay? So let's look at this one. If we take this D off of it, we already did this word. It was C, remember? So we're just adding that D. So let's do that together. Ready? S, E, D. S, E, D. Let's put it together. Seed, seed. Can you say that with me? Seed. Great working. All right, let's do the next one. This one is D, E, P. D, E, P. Deep. Can you say that? Deep. Great job, boys and girls. All right, this one's a tricky one. Ready? G, E, N. G, E, N. Green. Green. Can you say that with me? Green. Awesome job. All right, last one. N, E, D. N, E, D. Need. Great job, boys and girls. You did so awesome doing some phonics with me today. We are going to do a fun math activity next that has to do with bees. I'll see you then. Bye.